to make Mother's Day card using Mother's Day card maker on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can make Mother's Day card using Mother's Day card maker on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Picsart, picsart.com. Press enter and you will reach to the homepage of the Picsart website. Once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Only then you will see this interface. On this interface at the top right, you will see a magnifying glass icon resembling search just ahead of your profile picture. Click on it and you will reach to this page where at the top you will see different design tools and options. Here hover your cursor to that design option and below you will see all the maker templates. From here select Mother's Day card maker, which is just below Valentine's card maker under event section. Click on it and you will be taken to this page. At the left bottom you will see create a Mother's Day card. Click on it and you will reach to the editing space where from the left side you can choose various templates you want according to your preference. Scroll down and find the one that interests you. Once you have found it, click on it to bring it to your canvas. You can now edit it by using all the tools available in this platform. Also in the right side you'll find the elements that are included in this template. By simply clicking on it, you can edit them. After making the necessary edits, you can now download it to your device by clicking on that export button at the upper right. Then click on the download button below. So in this way you can make Mother's Day card using Mother's Day card maker on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.